Hi, welcome to Ortho Implants For Life. Today I will discuss a problem which was brought to me by my close friend in orthopedic implant industry who is a business owner, and he was telling me that he is afraid of training his employees because in most of the cases when he trains his employees, they leave to start their own business. Now, this is a very genuine problem which is not only related to him, it is generally felt in this orthopedic implant industry. So I will discuss this problem, and it has got 4 aspects. Employees don't leave company, they leave their boss, and only a few will have genuine reason for leaving the company. If the manager is just task-oriented, doesn't listen to his team members, is authoritative, humiliates his subordinates for no reason, and is a puppet to the top management, he will generate negative energy in the team and workplace. And in such situation, employee will not enjoy working in this company and will look for an opportunity to leave the company. And he may also think that, well, he have learnt enough, let him start his own business. It is not his fault. A bad boss can take good staff and destroy it, causing the employees to flee and the remainder to lose all motivation. In most of the companies, career growth for the employees is not clear. It is not even discussed with the employees. If the employee is not clear about his growth opportunities, how his compensation can increase, how he can acquire new skills and knowledge to improve his efficiency and effectiveness at his workplace, he may not be inspired to see his future insecure in the company. If the management fails to give him role clarity and appraisal is not done, employee is bound to be demotivated and perform poorly. In such situation, employee will be conditional. Often business owners complain about low productivity of the employees without even understanding their own role in augmenting the employees' productivity. While hiring, if the right candidate with competencies relevant to the position has not been selected, there will be a mismatch of expectation. This wrong candidate will not fit in the job role which was specified and can be a burden. I have seen in most of the cases, often the management hires the person and then try to fit in a particular job role. So this is a very, very big mistake. And from the very beginning, the employee is not very sure for what he has been hired for. And when his competencies doesn't match with the job role given, he is going to be frustrated. Now, if the employee has been selected properly also, then also he needs to be trained to make him relevant at his workplace. Employees leave the job and jump into business for making more money without knowing how to run the business. Earning cannot be the sole reason for starting the business. The technical or domain knowledge or relationship with a few key customers cannot be sufficient to start the business. Making the business profitable is his responsibility, and for that, the knowledge of business model, management, marketing, sales, and operations are must. Often, employees who are fed up with their employers feel they have reasonable market knowledge, so they would do better if they start their own business, but they are doing it out of frustration. In majority cases, it is found that if the person doesn't have the acumen for running the business or is failing in acquiring the competences which is required to run the business properly and make it profitable, they will find it very difficult to run the business in the long term. If the employee has the business mindset, risk-taking ability, and is open to learning, acquiring new skills and knowledge, has people skill, he can definitely do well while doing his business. I can summarize as, if a business owner offers effective leadership, train employees to improve their competence and productivity, he will enable his team members to take action for their own progress and growth. That will help them look for long-term career. Often due to lack of guidance, the employee finds no suitable answer to enhance his income and decides to start his own business out of haste. Apart from monetary benefit, freedom to take initiative, creativity, authority to take decisions make employee feel fulfilled. Hence, job satisfaction becomes one of the foremost reasons why an employee wants to have a long-term career in a company. What do you feel? Share your idea in the comment section. If you have any employer or employee issue, or if you are a business owner and stuck somewhere, please share where you are stuck and what are your problems so that I can come out with a plausible solution. So with this, signing off today, see you in the next video.